Hello everyone, right here I have a 2025 Mitsubishi Triton 2.4 4x4 Athlete. And today I'm going to make a startup and full vehicle tour video of it, show you the features inside and out. So here is the key fob. Let's go ahead and start it up first. As you can see, the side mirrors are currently folded out. Upon locking the truck, the side mirrors automatically folds in, and upon unlocking, they automatically fold out again. Standard for the Triton Athlete is Mitsubishi's version of a smart keyless entry and start system. So, just have the key fob on yourself. The trunk is currently unlocked. To lock the trunk, press the button on any of the front door handles. And to unlock the trunk, press the button on any of the front door handles again. Along with that smart keyless entry is a keyless push button start system. So to start the Triton, make sure the key fob is inside the truck. Put your foot on the brake and press the start button located right down here. The 6th generation Triton in Athlete trim comes with an electric rack and pinion power steering system. Also present in the Athlete trim is a leather steering wheel with orange stitching around the inner rim, perforated sections on the sides, and sport grips at 10 and 2. A 6-speed automatic transmission is the only choice available for the Triton Athlete. This transmission features a manual shifting function controlled by the gear lever. Standard for the Triton Athlete as well are front and rear parking sensors and a reverse camera with active guidance signs. Safety features for the Triton Athlete include 7 airbags, an anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, brake assist, active stability control, active yaw control, hill start assist, hill descent control, trailer stability assist, emergency stop signal, a tire pressure monitoring system, an alarm system, and an immobilizer. ISOFIX child seat anchor points are found on the outer 2 rear seats. The Mitsubishi Motors Safety Sensing Driver Assistance Suite is present as well, and this one comprises a forward collision mitigation system, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot warning, lane departure warning, and lane change alert. 18-inch 6 V-spoke gloss black alloy rims are present on the Triton Athlete. This Triton rides on Yokohama Giolanda G94 265/60 R18 tires. The brakes are ventilated discs in front and drums at the rear. Meanwhile, the suspension is made up of double wishbones up front and leaf springs out back. 30.4 degrees is the approach angle, 23.4 degrees is the breakover angle, and 22.8 degrees is the departure angle. Depending on the market and the model year, Mitsubishi's mid-size pickup truck has been sold under various brands and various nameplates. It was initially sold as a Mitsubishi Forte in Japan, while international markets used the L200 nameplate. Later on, the Triton nameplate was introduced. Mitsubishi has been building this said pickup truck since 1978. Production is spread across 6 generations, the first generation between 1978 and 1986, the second generation between 1986 and 2007, the third generation between 1996 and 2012, the fourth generation between 2005 and 2017, the fifth generation since 2014, and the sixth generation since 2023. The Triton in this video is part of the 6th generation lineup. The 6th generation Triton was previewed by the XRT concept vehicle that was shown at the March 2023 Bangkok International Motor Show. The production version was also unveiled in Thailand, and this debut took place 4 months later in July 2023. For the exterior, The latest Triton follows the Beast Mode design language with a more rugged appearance and a bold take on Mitsubishi's dynamic shield face. The interior meanwhile follows a horizontal axis concept, with geometric shapes used throughout the cabin, and the contact points inside the cabin were designed around an approach called Mitsubishi Touch. The 6th generation Triton also provides the base for the 4th generation Nissan Navara. In Malaysia, the 6th generation Triton went on sale in October 2024 as a fully imported model from Thailand. Currently, 5 variants are available, and they are 2.4 4-wheel drive single cab manual, 2.4 4-wheel drive GL double cab manual, 2.4 4-wheel drive GL double cab automatic, 2.4 4-wheel drive premium double cab automatic, and 2.4 4-wheel drive athlete double cab automatic. All the variants sold in Malaysia are in the High Rider configuration. Powering this Triton is Mitsubishi's 4N16 2.4 litre, dual ovate cams, 16 valves, twin turbocharged inline-four diesel engine. This engine features a variable geometry turbo and Mitsubishi's MyVac variable valve timing technology. It produces 201 horsepower at 3500 rpm and 470 Nm of torque at 1500 to 2750 rpm. The fuel tank is 75 litres big, and the combined fuel consumption for the Triton 2.4 4-wheel drive High Rider double cab automatic is 7.7 litres per 100 km. The Triton is a 4-wheel drive vehicle. Exterior features of the Triton Athlete include automatic manual leveling LED projector headlights, automatic wipers, automatic high beams, LED daytime running lights, LED side indicators, LED front and rear fog lights, LED rear lights, a metallic black front dynamic shield design, black door handles, gloss black side mirrors, side steps, roof rails, the spare tyre under the rear of the truck, and a single exhaust pipe. Speakers right there, and down there, photo holder, storage, central locking, mirror controls, window controls. All of the windows in this truck are powered, while the driver's side is the only side that gets a full automatic function in both directions. Window lock, cup holder, interior brightness adjustment buttons, headlight level adjustment, pull this lever to pop open the fuel door, Triton floor mats, and the driver's seat in this Triton Athlete does get full powered adjustments. All of the controls are located right down there, including your two-way power lumbar support. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how it revs. Dual zone automatic climate control system. These are the front controls, and there are actually a separate set of fan speed controls for the rear, which I'll show you later. But back to the front controls. On off, air conditioning. Sync means if you have it turned on, the driver's side will control the temperature for both sides, but if you turn it off, each side will have their individual temperature controls. Different modes. Fan speed. Recirculation, automatic mode. Passenger side temperature. Driver's side temperature. Front and rear defrost, maximum cooling. Down here, power outlet. USB-C and USB-A ports to connect to the system. Down here, you have a storage area. It also doubles up as your Qi wireless charging pad. Right here, you have your downhill assist control, your drive mode selector. You can choose between normal or eco, and right here you have your 4-wheel drive controls. The Triton Athlete comes with an integrated touchscreen head unit. This system features a 7-inch infotainment display, various media connectivity options, and 6 speakers. The stock sound system that this Triton uses is not that bad. We are currently in the CarPlay menu with the current song playing information. Right here, the album art will show up here if available. If the song title, the artist and album name will show up here again if available. You can play pause, go back a song, go for the song duration, and below you can activate shuffle, repeat, favorite the song, and bring up the suggest as option. This button goes to your Play Next playlist, and hit this button to go back to your main media menu where you can look between library, playlists, and radio. Under library, you can look at your recently added songs, playlists, artists, and whatnot. You can search for music right here. This one goes back to your current media playing information, and to the right you have shortcut buttons for Google Maps, music, phone, and hit this to go back to your main CarPlay menu where you can select your phone, music, Apple Maps, messages, so on and so forth. There are more apps to the right. And to the left, we have Google Maps. We can go to a destination, bring up your voice command, control the media. And to the left once more, we have the widgets which you can customize on your phone. So you have your media, weather, events, and the clock. To go back to your main Mitsubishi system, hit the menu button down here. And right here we are in the main Mitsubishi system where you can select your desired media option. Right here we can control the CarPlay media. And right here we can customize the home menu, bring up your camera system, your camera settings. You can select FM, Bluetooth audio, view the clock, change the type of clock, and below you can select CarPlay, go to your audio menu, connections menu. Under connections you can delete a device, connect a device, so on and so forth. You have your info menu right here with your notifications, system information, and smartphone connection. Right here, settings menu. With your connection settings, clock settings, you can customize the home menu, customize audio sources, so on and so forth. And under sound, you can select the bass mid treble, balance fader, bass enhancer, speed volume. Right here we have the volume and power knob, the brightness adjustment button, seat track, your audio button, menu button, phone, camera brings up the camera settings again. You have your back button right here, and right here you have your tuning knob. It also helps you to scroll through the system. As shown earlier, this car does have power folding side mirrors. To fold the side mirrors in from the inside, press this button right here. Central locking. Light and indicator controls. Press the button at the end of the light and indicator stalk to activate the automatic high beams. Adaptive cruise control controls, Bluetooth telephone control, voice control, seat track, volume controls. This one brings up your shortcut menu within the multi-information display. To exit, hit the right button, and to go back, hit the left button. But apart from the shortcut menu, these set of controls right here control the multi-information display located within the instrument cluster. Use the wheel to go between the different sub-menus. Use the left and right arrows to go between the different main menus. Click the wheel down to select, and the left button also acts as the back button depending on the menu that you're in. Currently we are in the tire pressure menu. Right here we have the all-wheel control. Next up we have the media information, driver assistance menu, settings menu with your various vehicle settings, and we can also perform a factory reset down at the bottom. To exit, just click the right button. Right here we have your digital speedometer, display off, driving data with the average fuel consumption, average speed, elapsed time and distance traveled, fuel economy with your average fuel consumption, digital speedometer and average speed, and back to the trip computer, and back to the tire pressure monitoring system. Wiper controls, and the steering wheel in this truck is tilt and telescopic. You adjust it using this lever right here. Cup holders, front center armrest with storage down below, auto dimming rear view mirror, sunglass holder, front reading lights. This one turns on or off the lights when you open the doors, and the front reading lights also double up as your interior lights. Sun visor for the driver's side does get a vanity mirror. Also for the driver are grip handles on the A pillar and right above. Alright, so I guess that's it for the startup. We can turn it off right now. And continue with the rest of the tour. Window control, speaker, bottle holder, storage, and the rear seat backs in this Triton do fold. They fold down in one piece, and to fold them down, first make sure the headrests are all the way down. Then locate the strap right here, pull it, and flip the seat backs down. Behind the rear seat backs, you have a bit of storage together with the vehicle's toolkit. And the back right there contains the vehicle's warning triangle, emergency kit, owner's manual, so on and so forth. I did set the driver's seat to a position that I would feel comfortable in. I'm about 5'7", which is about 1.7 meters tall. There is a bit of room to stretch out my feet underneath the driver's seat. As for legroom, I get about this much. And I get about this much in terms of headroom. It is actually not too bad back here. The seats are very nice and comfortable. On the front seat backs are storage pockets. Right down here, we have a power outlet, together with USB-C and USB-A ports for charging. Rear center armrest with cup holders. Right above, for both sides at the back, are grip handles. And you can also find grip handles on the B pillars. Right above are the rear aircon vents. And right here we have the rear interior light, together with the aforementioned rear fan speed controls. You have your on-off button, fan speed down, and fan speed up buttons. To drop the tailgate down, use the lever just above the rear Mitsubishi badge. The cargo bed in this Triton double cab measures 1555mm, 1545mm, and 525mm in length, width, and height respectively. Payload is 1034 kg, while towing capacity is 3500 kg. A bed liner is standard for the cargo bed. Adjustable headrests front and rear. Speakers, bottle holder, storage, window control, and the front passenger seat in this Triton does get full manual adjustments. The receiver controls the seat back, while this bar down here controls the seat position. Cup holder, dual glove box setup, there's a smaller one above, and a larger lockable one down below. Like the driver's side, the front passenger side also does get grip handles on the A pillar and right above. The front passenger's sun visor also does get a vanity mirror. Alright, so let's start it up with the door closed. Alright, so that's it for the startup and full vehicle tour video of this 2025 Mitsubishi Triton 2.4 4x4 Athlete. Thanks for watching and goodbye.